Hi, my name is Doug Goldstein. Today we're going to answer the question, is risk management the best financial strategy? If you have any questions or comments about this or about managing your U.S. IRA, investment, or brokerage accounts from Israel, get in touch with me. My email address is doug@profile-financial.com. First of all, what is risk management and how does it affect your investment decisions? Every investment carries a chance of making a profit and a risk of sustaining a loss. However, some investments are riskier than others. Generally speaking, the more profitable investments contain the most risk. If an investment can potentially make a high profit, it can also cause just as much of a loss. So if you're thinking about an investment that could give a high return, ask yourself if you could handle that level of loss if it doesn't work out. Ask yourself, is it worth taking a chance? If you're afraid of risk, you may prefer to play it safe by keeping all of your money in a savings account in the bank. You won't make much profit as interest rates are low, but at least you can minimize your chances of losing money. Savings accounts, money markets, and CDs, that's certificates of deposit, they offer protection against risk. However, when the product becomes due, the real value of your money may have decreased if the interest rate didn't keep up with inflation. Let's consider risk management versus risk avoidance. Fortunately, when investing, there are many choices, and you don't need to single-handedly embrace or reject high-risk investments. There is a middle ground. That's follow a policy of risk management. For example, if you're young and have many working years ahead of you, you may be able to withstand more risk than someone nearing retirement age, since you have time on your side to recoup any market losses. On the other hand, an older worker may be comfortable with some aggressive pieces in his asset allocation, but he might feel the need to have a more conservative portfolio so he doesn't get a nasty surprise if the market crashes just when he's entering retirement. Consult with a financial advisor to help determine your risk level and develop a strategy to manage risk in your investment portfolio. To learn more about investment risk, go to www.richasaking.com/risk. That's Rich as a King based on the book that I wrote with world chess champion Susan Polgar, richasaking.com/risk. Once again, my name is Doug Goldstein. If you have questions or comments about anything related to your U.S. investment portfolios, please be sure to get in touch with me. My email address is doug@profile-financial.com. And don't forget, before investing in anything, be sure to read our complete disclosure at www.profile-financial.com/disclosure.